Welcome to the Chakra Meditation series. Today we will learn how to balance and heal your root chakra to overcome your money, career and finance issues. If you are feeling out of balance in your life, or if you are unhappy with your job or your finances and struggling to meet the basic needs of your life, then chances are there that your root chakra is blocked. When this chakra is weak or blocked, then you might be facing problem of low or no confidence, you cannot achieve goals, you feel unlovable, you are fearful and insecure, feeling misunderstood. Or if you are thinking of starting a business but are afraid of failing, then it's time for you to work on your root chakra. So in order to balance and heal your blocked chakra, first understand what is root chakra. The root chakra, also known as Muladhara chakra or first energy center, is a base chakra and it is located at the base of the spine. Its representative color is vibrant red. It is a root of your being and it establishes the deepest connection with your physical body, your environment and the Mother Earth. This chakra meaning is strongly associated with the concept of I am. This chakra is all about physical aspects of life. It has strong links with your feelings and with pleasure and pain. By tapping into the full potential of your chakras, you open a gateway to health, prosperity, joy and the expression of your own unique gifts. The energy of Muladhara allows us to harness courage, resourcefulness and the will to live during tough times. It connects us with the spiritual energies of our ancestors, their challenges and their dreams. The root chakra is like launching pad for your life. It not only sets the stage but also holds the foundation for everything. When your Muladhara is balanced, then you feel centered, grounded, healthy, fully alive. You also have unlimited physical energy and you can manifest abundance into your life. You take good care of your body and simply love your life. We have learned some basic aspects of Muladhara chakra. Now we will start with guided meditation to balance and heal your root chakra. So sit in a comfortable meditation posture. Make sure the spine is erect and the head is straight. Close the eyes. Be at total ease physically. Now center yourself within the body. Bring your awareness inside yourself. Withdraw your attention from the external noises and distractions to the silence and stillness within. Observe the entire body and make sure that the whole body from the crown of the head down to the toes is free from tension. The whole body should be free of all tightness and tensions. Move your mind through different parts of the body. Check each and every part, each and every joint, each and every muscle. Make sure that physically you are at total ease. Now become aware of the whole body and the space within the body. Experience the space which pervades the entire body from the top to the head, down to the tips of the fingers, down to the tips of the toes. Visualize the space. Feel as if the body is an empty shell, which is filled with air and space. When you are aware of the space, then there is a feeling of expansiveness. When you are aware of air, then there is a feeling of motion, movement. These two feelings exist within the body. Observe the movement of breath, the movement of color and light. Become aware of the stillness, the silence, and the expansiveness within the body, both representing air and space respectively. Now, in the inner space that you are seeing, feeling, and experiencing, create a beautiful image of a 4-petaled lotus flower. Within the space inside your body, just develop the image of a 4-petaled lotus flower. Now reduce that image and take it down to the Mooladhara region or at the base of your spine. Observe the 4-petaled lotus flower in the Mooladhara region. Intensify your awareness of the 4-petaled lotus flower, red in color at Mooladhara. See the red lotus surrounded by golden light. Concentrate in the Mooladhara region with total awareness and intensity. Visualize the symbol of Mooladhara, a 4-petaled lotus flower which is red in color, representing the element earth. Feel the love of Mother Earth. Observe it, witness it. Try to develop a clear image of it in the Mooladhara region. Once the image is perceived, mentally repeat the Bija mantra of Mooladhara or the root chakra, that is LUM. During inhalation and exhalation, just chant LUM mentally. Do not allow the mind to be distracted by the repetition of mantra LUM. Keep the mind focused on the Mooladhara image of a lotus flower with 4 petals, red in color, surrounded by golden light. With each repetition of mantra LUM during inhalation and exhalation, intensify the awareness of Mooladhara. Just repeat the mantra LUM. 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 Feel the energy and vibration of mantra in Mooladhara region. LUM. 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 Focus your attention on Mooladhara chakra and feel the energy of this powerful mantra. LUM. 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 lam, 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 om lam, om lam, om lam, om lam, om lam, 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 om lam, 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 om lam, 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 om lam, 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 om lam, 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 om lam, 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 lam. Feel this energy. Lam, 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 om lam, om lam, 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 lam. Feel this energy of mantra moving in your spinal cord. Lam, 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 balancing you in your life, grounding you, making you more stronger and stronger day by day. Lam, 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 lam. Day by day you are becoming more and more financially strong. Your all money problems are dissolved. Lam, 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 lam. Your whole body is vibrating this mantra. Lam, 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 lam. Feel the energy of mantra in your whole body. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. Divine abundance is flowing into my life. Om Lam. Om Lam. I am a powerful, abundant being with plenty of money. Om Lam. Om Lam. I am a powerful, abundant being. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. I am financially free. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. I am a powerful, abundant being. 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 Divine abundance is my natural state of being. Divine abundance is my natural state of being. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. Om Lam. Divine abundance is my natural state of being. Om Lam. Feel the energy of mantra in your whole body. Now, slowly come back to your consciousness. Lam, lam, lam. Lam, lam, lam. Now stop chanting the mantra and feel the energy of mantra in your whole body. Feel you are financially free. Feel all money problem or finance problems are now solved. Just stay with the energy. Just stay with the energy. Just stay with the energy. Now, remain seated for 5 minutes and enjoy this wonderful vibration that you have generated just now.